A2141, A1990. DFU process is running. See, 4 of 4 pack, and this DFU process is already done. And installing OS now. We replace 512 GB SSD in this cabinet, and we replace 1 TB SSD in this cabinet. i9 2141 motherboard, and DFU process is now complete. See, display also coming. Before it's no power, dead case, and 4 of 4 restoring process with the help of our donor Mac. See, taken 125, 126, 160 amp. When it's taken almost 1 and 2 ampere, display is there. Four of 4 process. Padlock is there. Now our DFU process is complete. Remove this donor Mac and reinstall this our standalone Mac. Now we connect this power. Two amp, 3 amp. Yes, Apple logo and Apple sound is there. This Mac also start. Now this is a folder mark. We have to install OS. Let's install the OS. This case study 1990 A2141 is now complete. Thank you.